Welcome back to my channel. This time ako ay nasa Chiang Mai International Airport. As you can see, medyo maraming tao. At nandito ako sa vietjetair.com at saka Thai Lion. So, mag-check-in tayo guys dahil tayo pupunta ng Hanoi. So, let me see kung anong ganap doon. I'll be staying there for at least 3 days again. And then, we'll see after that. May pupunta na naman tayong lugar. So, sit back and relax. And then, I'll keep you posted once na mag-land ako sa Hanoi. Actually, ang flight ko medyo stress. Kasi may stopover pa siya sa Bangkok. So, about 6 hours ang stayover ko, ang layover ko. So, I'll keep you posted na lang siguro. For the meantime, tayo ay magmuni-muni at mag-check-in na dito sa Vietjetair para at least makaratsyada na tayo. Okay? I'll keep you posted. Bye! Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This time, sinubukan ko mag-self-check-in. Hindi umubra. So, mahaba-haba pa. Siguro mga around 20 minutes more bago ako makapag-check-in. Kasi nag-try na ako mag-self-check-in. Hindi umubra. Kasi Phuket pa. So, marami mga foreigner ang pupunta ng Phuket. So, medyo patapusin mo muna sila bago tayo mag-check-in naman. For the meantime, let's just explore itong international airport ng Chiang Mai. Actually, maganda siya. It's like busy-busyhan. Though, alakas na maka-domestic sa atin kasi mababang ceiling. Nevertheless, jam-pack ang mga turista. So, kung nagbabalak kayong pumunta ng Chiang Mai, saglitin nyo ito. Explore nyo ng a little bit ang airport nila at mag-i-enjoy kayo. Napakaraming turista na pumupunta dito. So this is it. Medyo relax muna tayo in a bit and then namnamin natin yung ganda nitong airport na jam-pack ng mga turista. Kung alam ko nung meron sa dulo. Kasi pinuntahan ko na may entra din. Yan siya Actually, maganda yung nila. Yung drama nila rito. So, daming foreigner. Mag-enjoy ka. Yummy! Ito siya, Diba nakakatuwa? Yung mga pasabog effect din ng drama. So, saglitin nyo na rin ito para bonggang-bongga. Alakas para ka nasa palasyo. Tarot.
your oxygen mask.
นี่คือหน้ากากออกซิเจน
In case of decompression, it will be automatically dropped down from the passenger service unit above your head and from the ceiling in the lavatory.
หากเกิดการสูญเสียความดันอากาศภายในเครื่องบินหน้ากากออกซิเจนบนแผงเหนือศีรษะของท่านทั้งในห้องโดยสารและห้องน้ำจะตกลงมาโดยอัตโนมัติ
Pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. With the headband tightly around your head and move normally.
หยิบหน้ากากลงมาสวมสายรัดรอบศีรษะให้หน้ากากอยู่ในระดับที่ถึงหน้าผากแล้วหายใจตามด้วย
Put on your mask first and then assist others under your care.
โดยสวมหน้ากากให้ตัวท่านเองก่อน แล้วจึงสวมให้เด็กหรือผู้โดยสารท่านอื่น
The light vest is located under the seating passengers are requested not to remove the light vest from its location unless instructed by cabin crew ในกรณีเครื่องลงจอดฉุกเฉินบนพื้นน้ำไม่มีการใช้ให้สวมผู้ทานศีรษะเช่นนี้ In case of emergency this ship to use insulated overhead like this จอดเว้นขัดด้านหน้าเครื่องบินและปรับแสรัดรอบเอวให้แน่น Cleave out the waistband and pull it tight พวกพร้อมจอดจากเครื่องบินให้ดึงแถบสีแดงด้านหน้าเพื่อให้เสื้อชูชีพของลม At the entry before leaving aircraft pull the red tag to inflate the light vest ถ้าระบบของลมปกติไม่ทำงานให้เป่าท่อลมดี If it fails to inflate, blow it to the tube นี่คือหลอดไฟและระบบสำหรับความเร็ว
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This time, ako ay nasa Bangkok. So, quick view lang tayo ha. Medyo mahaba-haba pa tong biyahe ko. For the meantime, relax muna tayo at pagtasin muna natin ang ganda ng Suvarnabhumi Airport. So, kung nagbabala kayong pumunta ng Thailand, sadyain nyo na rin itong lugar na to at may enjoy nyo. Napaka-relax at maganda talagang airport nila ever since. So, wala ka nang sasabihin pa. Kundi mamamangha ka na lang sa ganda ng airport nila as compared sa ating Terminal 3. As usual, may comparison na naman. Anyway, ako ay nandito kasi it's a connecting flight going to Hanoi. So, since mahaba-haba pa ang biyahe ko at ang layover ko mga 6 na oras, might as well patsukin mo na lang itong lugar na to at lumabas tayo. Tingnan natin ang silong areas. So, quick a bit lang tayo then and I'll be back. I'll keep you posted once na makarating ako sa conveyor kasi kukunin ko yung bagahe ko. Pina-check nila sa akin yung bagahe ko. Okay, docs? Yeah. Ako ay nasa conveyor na. So, as you can see, ito yung mga friendship ko na galing ng Chiang Mai. So, andito kami ngayon para kolektahin ang bagahe na supposedly hand carry lang. Pero dahil, ewan ko anong ginawa ng lola mo doon sa check-in, chinek-in niya. Wala naman bayad, pero medyo babawas ako mamaya doon kasi marami-rami ang kilo ko doon nasa 9. Kaya ang allowed lang is 7. Anyway, as soon as makuha ko yung bagahe ko dito, most probably baka lumabas ako. And then magnilay-nilay muna sa bangko dahil mahaba pang bibilangin ang oras ko bago mag-connect naman sa flight ko pa Hanoi. I'll keep you posted. Welcome back to my channel. This time ako ay nasa Suvarnabhumi Departure Area International. Ako ay pupunta sa Hanoi, Vietnam. So at this point in time, ako ay lumabas muna ng Chiang Mai at sumaglit ng isang bonggang slide lang sa Hanoi para bumisita. And then I'll come back to Chiang Mai again. So ito ang situation sa sa Suvarnabhumi. Masalimuot. Ang dami-daming mga mga ganap saan-saan. Transfer dito, transfer doon, ikot dito, ikot doon. So bahala ka na lang kasi talagang international to, ang daming dumadaong ng mga foreigners. Expect mo na maraming mga check-in counters na malulukring ka, hindi mo alam kung saan, kung hindi ka magtatanong. Kailangan magtanong ka. Otherwise, maliligaw ka. Kagaya na umupo ako kanina. Yung pala yung inupuan ko dun sa harapan ko, hindi pala doon. So, nevertheless, ito po ang situation sa Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Dito lang sa Thailand. So, I'll keep you update kung ano ang mga ganap. So, for the meantime, hanapin ko na yung aking check-in counters ko para makapag-check-in na and then ma-secure ko na yung aking spot. Okay, Doc, I'll keep you posted once na makalabas ako dito at makalusot na ako sa immigration para matapos na ang aking pagninilay-nilay. Okay? I'll keep you posted pag ako'y nasa Hanoi na. Guys, bye! My channel. This time ay kalalabas ko lang ng immigration sa passport control kung saan ako ay nasa, hulaan nyo, tama ka dyan, duty free ng Suvarnabhumi. So, quick heads up lang tayo. Kung pupunta kayo ng Thailand, especially sa Bangkok, particularly sa Bangkok, make sure na pag mag-e-exit kayo, huwag kayo pumunta doon sa may passport control na automatic kasi wala kayong makukuha tatak. Kung pupunta kayo at lalabas kayo ng Thailand, make sure huwag kayo doon sa mga passport control na automatic kasi walang tatak na may lalabas sa inyo sa passport nyo. Useless. Walang makikitang ganda. So, much better na kung lalabas kayo, doon pa rin kayo sa manual na sa bandang gilid lang siya ng immigration control passport dito sa Thailand. So, kung nagbabala kayo, saglitin ng Thailand, make sure na kayo ay mag-passport control sa gilid para at least ma-secure ninyo yung stamp. Okay, docs? I'll keep you posted once na dumating na ako ng Hanoi. Okay, docs? Bye!
ได้เลยนะคะสำหรับ
Avoid leaving luggage in aisle.
Đâu có thấy con 10 e đây chắc là
time ako ay nasa Hanoi, Vietnam. At this point in time, naglalakad-lakad lang ako. So, tad-tad ng mga kung ano-ano sasakyan dito. Ito siya guys, oh. Mga bridge na ito, actually. Ito yung sinasabing bridge siguro. Punta natin yan mamaya. Anyway, I spot on this Long Bien Station. So, akitin natin. Yan. Medyo luma na daw ata ito. So, technically, eto siya. At may tren. So, eto siya. Long Bien Station. Kung nagbabala kayo pumunta ng Hanoi, sadyain nyo ang Long Bien Station. Napakaganda. Historical lang. Plus, marami ka makikita rito mga drama. Yan o. Naghahabol ka siguro yan. Kaya pala maraming tumatakbo kanina. Labongga. And at the same time, may kape. Long Bien Station. Kung may kasalan pa na naganap. Meron pang coffee shop dito. So, this is it. Ito ang aking first round of DIY tour. Dito lang sa Long Bien Station. Bridge nila ng tren kung saan pag wala palang tren dito sa tamakma ka ng gusto magpa-pictorial kagaya nito ni ate talaga namang walang kumpas. Yung isa naman doon ayaw paawat, talaga namang to the max ang ang buha. Anyway, ang nakakatuwa kasi ginagawa pa lang ito, Instagrammable photo. Gusto mong magpa-picture, pwede naman. Otherwise, sightseeing lang. Nakakatuwa. Sadyain ito guys. Kung gusto mo pumunta ng Hanoi, punta ka rito sa Long Bien Station at magpa-pictorial ka dito sa bridge nila. Pack na pack ang drama. Natutuwa ka sa aura at view itong tren na ito. Napakahaba pala nito siya guys. Only here in Hanoi, Vietnam.